I'm Jonathan with Sell House Columbus. We're here with Wes and Teresa at another closing, and we just want to say thank you for everything. So first question is, how did you hear about Sell House Columbus?
Well, I like to do my research, and I went on the internet and looked at your internet site, and then did a search and research and whatever, and I decided on about 4 to 5 firms, and you were one of the ones that I looked at.
Terrific. We appreciate you selling with us. And how has the experience been, overall with working with us?
I think it's been awesome.
The experience has been awesome, particularly compared to other companies, because you've been the most thorough, the most detailed, and just to show, okay, we had a couple of firms that offered higher prices, but they had no intention on closing because they hadn't even seen the property. You did a detailed analysis of the property over 2 hours, and that's what really impressed me.
Absolutely. Thank you. We appreciate that. And if you were to tell someone else about using Sell House Columbus, what would you tell them?
Well, one of the things taking into consideration, going with an investment firm, okay, we wrapped up the whole transaction in about 2 weeks. If you go real estate route, you might go 3 months and whatever, and then your house sit there and it doesn't sell. While here, you know that the money that you're going to offer, that they're going to close within a couple of weeks. That's the advantage of the surefire transaction.
Yes.
Terrific. Good. Well, we really appreciate doing the deal with us. And if you want to visit us online, you can visit us at sellhousecolumbus.com, and we look forward to seeing you.